Ow! Get off! You're smashing Daddy.
Not funny, Dad.
It's not funny.
Yeah, funny. You got the cookie. Mom, we the other doctor tools.
Right here, did you listen to his heart?
I listen to his ears. I listen to his heart and give him medicine sauce in the
Can you
brandy.
give me the horsey? Hang on. Let mommy show you. Horsey is so sick. Horsey is sick. Let's see. Look at, she's just lay there. She is so sick. Now check her out.
Okay.
Say, Horsey, are you okay? Give her medicine.
I put her on the pillow, Mom. Put her on the pillow. Here you go, Horsey. I'm getting her sauce.
Okay. You gonna be hurt?
No, I take her. No, I'm not going to care, but they're going to care. This over here. This over here. No naggy, Mom. No naggy, Mom.
Okay. I thought she hurting.
Oh, there, Mom.
You feeling better, Horsey? Yeah.
He's not feeling better. What's going on to my stethoscope?
Yeah, why is it crooked? You have to turn it this way.
Doctor. Doctor says here to listen to. Now.
Let's get you a checkup.
On his feet?
Oh, I can't put
Right here. Right here. Her heart is in the front.
Baby. Oh, then.
She good?
Yeah. Check her ear. No. We have to get some medicine off.
Again?
No. It's tricky, Mom.
It's so tricky. I don't know how to do it.
You sick, Mom. You sick, Mom.
Me too?
Yeah, you have laid on a pillow. See, lay
Ok,
down on
giờ
a
mẹ bệnh rồi. Mẹ phải lay down.